At SOS Cleaning and Restoration, we know how quickly damp areas can lead to mold problems. If not handled properly, sealing and moisture can cause further damage and health risks. That's why we specialize in mold damage removal in Lakeville, Minnesota, using proven methods to ensure the job is done right from the very start. Our goal is to not only remove mold but also prevent it from returning. Mold thrives in hidden damp spaces, making it a challenge for many homeowners. Our experienced team takes the time to identify and address the source of the issue. We carefully dry, clean, and restore affected areas with advanced equipment and professional care. By tackling the cause, we protect your home from future mold problems. We believe in creating safe and healthy environments. Every step of our process is designed to keep your family protected. We know how stressful mold damage can be. That's why we work quickly, efficiently, and compassionately to restore both your property and your peace of mind. Call us today at 952-314-8588 or visit soscleaningandrestoration.com/areas-serve-Lakeville-MN. SOS Cleaning and Restoration. Your home, healthy and mold-free.